Hello, welcome to this analysis of the Coronation Week weather. First of all, we start off with this low in the Atlantic. It's a deep area of low pressure with 979 millibars. Over Greenland, we have high pressure, 1038 millibars. And we still have those northerly winds moving down from the Arctic. And this is affecting much of northern Scotland and parts of northern England as well. We have high pressure surrounding the north coast of Spain and western coast of France. And this is moving through the Republic of Ireland as well. There are very light winds inside this area of high pressure. And there's another area of high pressure situated over Germany. A low pressure system is between Italy and Sardinia. As we move along, this low pressure system in the Atlantic starts to lose the low pressure and gains pressure. This is happening throughout the week, and it's marching towards us with its frontal systems. So the pressure is going up, but yet there are frontal systems heading our way. And these frontal systems are occlusions, warm fronts and cold fronts, which is quite typical for this setup at this time of the year in early May. That's one way of looking at things. If we go backwards and we consider the cold air that's affecting Scotland at the moment, this cold air is moving down from the Arctic and is bringing unseasonably cold weather up there. So there's even snow in the Highlands at the moment, and temperatures are sub-zero in the mountains overnight. And even to slightly lower levels, there's going to be a touch of frost Monday night into Tuesday. This northerly plunge gets cut off, though, by this small area of high pressure which develops on Tuesday. And then it moves swiftly over towards the North Sea and imports some easterlies in southern England and Wales and southerlies through the Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland. And this will mean the temperatures won't be exceptional because behind it we have this Arctic plunge, which has just moved slightly eastwards. So we might have by Tuesday and Wednesday clear spells, particularly in southeastern areas of England. And we also might have slightly milder weather as well affecting Northern Ireland because we also have here a warm front. This warm front could be bringing some cloud, though, so I would not expect exceptionally high temperatures here either. But if we look at the pressure, take, for example, 1020 millibars, we have the plunge, first of all, moving through Ireland and southwestern England and France, northerlies. Then it gained some Spanish air, which is going to be a bit warmer, but it's not affecting us yet. And then it's moving through France and the Alps. It's not affecting us yet. But when we get to Wednesday, it starts to affect there. And then it crosses through from the Alps later on Wednesday. Now that's coming from quite a warm direction, but the Alps at this time of the year are not warm. So once again, nothing exceptional, probably just average early May temperatures here, about 15 or 16 degrees Celsius in the bright sunshine. Some warm spots with the Foehn effect could get 17 or 18 degrees Celsius midweek. I would say a warm area towards an inland area of Ireland, Northern Ireland, and perhaps somewhere near Worcester, or perhaps even somewhere further north in Scotland could actually be quite warm by Wednesday, Thursday. But the downside is it's low pressure, and these tightly packed isobars indicate quite strong winds on Thursday. So we can't win either way. It really is in the grey area. Temperature-wise, I would say overall expect nothing exceptional, except for the fact that we are going to have much below average temperatures in Scotland to start off the week. Certainly by Thursday we have breezy weather. Temperature-wise, though, nothing exceptional. When we get to later on Thursday, we have some frontal systems approaching South Wales and southern England. This will introduce rain. So I'm almost certain that with this pressure setup, we will have rain on the way later on Thursday and into Friday. But as for the weekend, it really is question mark, because we have this high pressure further north, which has evolved over Greenland and then moves over the ocean and sea there, north of Iceland. The pressure is not changing, and this is indicating that not much evaporation is occurring up there. There could be clouds, but they're not rain-bearing clouds. And then it's moving over, this high pressure area is moving over to Scandinavia. And this is indicating that the sea is too cold to cause evaporation. But the plateau there, the area of land in Greenland is capped with ice. So we've got two states that this large area of high pressure is moving over, yet the pressure is not changing much. So this is just showing us that there's a real contrast between north of the United Kingdom and southwest of the United Kingdom. This is a real normal setup for April. This is normally what goes on in April, but it's happening later this year. And also, what with the exceptionally cold, exceptionally cold, what with the exceptionally hot, unseasonably hot weather over Portugal and Spain that we've had, this could go either way, and I would say so far don't expect exceptionally hot weather for us in the United Kingdom during the coronation week. But we could have warmer than average temperatures. It just depends on the cloud cover. Looking at this Thursday, there's going to be plenty of cloud cover, so it could be quite muggy, it could be humid, and it's likely to be rain, and it's going to be very breezy. But as for the coronation weekend itself, please, it is looking uncertain at this stage. I would say a slight hint towards wet and quite mild, and we'll probably lose that horrible cold weather in Scotland as well. But I'm thinking there's a 60% chance of wetter weather and a 30% chance of drier weather. And the 10% chance in between is really somewhere of a real mixture there. Please stay tuned. If any of you have got enough patience to listen to this ramble, then go along, go ahead and listen. But there's not much going on here regarding the weekend for now. Stay tuned if you can. Bye-bye.